This video shows you how to upload your motion detection videos and pictures to your FTP server. In order to upload videos to your FTP server, you need to first install a TF card on the camera because the video files are very large and the camera does not have enough RAM to store the video files and then transfer it to your FTP. If your model has built-in TF card slot, you can check Sunba website to download instructions on how to install a TF card on your camera. After installing the TF card, please go to Device Config and check Disk Manager to see whether the TF card has been successfully recognized. Then please open Record Config and make sure the Detect option is selected and click Apply to save all the changes. And go to Snap Config and do the same thing by checking the Detect option. You also need to go to Video Detect and enable the motion detection and specifically enable Record and Snapshot. Don't forget to turn on the FTP option as well. Click Apply to save our configuration. Now we only have one step left for FTP configuration. Please go to the Network option under Device Config and locate the FTP tab. Let's enable FTP transmission and enter the FTP server address here. You want to store the motion detection files. Please make sure you don't add the FTP prefix in the address line. Then enter the corresponding username and password. You can also add a folder path for storing the files here. And let's click Apply to save the setting. Now I want to test whether everything works as expected, so let me go to Monitor and try to generate some motions for the camera. There are some hand waves here which will clearly be identified as motion detection. And the time here is 3:23 p.m. and it takes a while for the camera to upload the videos and pictures to FTP. Now let's check and see whether the motion detection files appear from our FTP. Now as we refresh the FTP page, we see the files appear. And the time is different from what we see on the video because the time zone on our FTP is different. You see the folders have the title that we set as front camera. It also shows the IP address of the camera and the last few digits of its serial number. When we click this folder, we will see subfolders listed by dates, and there will be separate folders for pictures and videos. Let's check the pictures that were uploaded, and they're exactly the hand waves that we made earlier. The record folder will contain H.264 video files. And in Video Detect, you can adjust the recording length you want for motion detection video clips.